He was going to Daytona every time they had a race going on. Well, he and Mr. France got to be pretty good buddies. Well, he was down at Daytona for a weekend race, and Mr. France told him, said, look, we finally made a decision. We want to build another track somewhere in the southeast, and we need to get you to keep your eyes and ears open for you land them come available. Mr. Hill said, I can take care of that for you. He came on back, and about 2 or 3 months later, 350-acre land came available in the general area of the track, and that was joining property that was used back during World War II for an old Army Air Training Center. Well, after the war was over, that was not needed, and they gave it back to Talladega County France. Of course, Mr. Hill was aware of all that.
What?
And he said, the two together make a great star. He called Daytona and told Mr. France what he had. Mr. France said, well, I'll be up. And he came on up and spent a couple of 3 weeks. He was able to acquire additional land. He got a little over 1,000 acres. But it doesn't appear the land's a problem, so I'm